Today we'll break down Fadi Fusion, social dancing, salsa. We'll break down the steps so you can practice at home alone, no partner needed. Fadi starts with crossbody lead, clearing the line and changing places. Watch it again and notice the tap to the back. This is part of his style. 6 and 7, 1, 2, 3, and crossbody lead again, 6, 7, 1, but now with a jumpy style. Now he's doing a back step and then a hook turn to the right, hook and then the turn. Now a right turn and a crossbody lead. We call it right turn crossbody lead. And again, right turn, crossbody lead. And now watch it again and notice how he plays with the music. Since he's dancing on 2, we saw the first right turn CBL on 6, 7. But then he doesn't step on the 2 and the 6. 1, 3, 5, 7. And then crossbody lead, clearing the line, and then hook to the back and finishing the turn. Then right turn CBL, connecting to the half back crossbody lead, stepping to the back, side, open, clearing the line, but staying in place. And then offline crossbody lead that starts offline. Notice he starts offline and then he changes places with the crossbody lead. And now with the music. And you can practice all these steps on 1 or on 2 in the free 30-day course. Still here? Scroll down to day 31 for the ultimate practice. See you there.